Sure, I'd be happy to provide some tips for creating a travel vlog. Plan your content. Before embarking on your trip, plan out what you want to cover in your travel vlog. This could include the places you want to visit, the activities you want to do, and the people you want to meet. Consider creating a storyboard or an outline of your vlog to ensure that you capture everything you want to showcase. Keep it interesting. To keep your audience engaged, try to include a variety of shots and angles in your travel vlog. Mix up your footage by including wide shots, close-ups, and time-lapses. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different filming techniques. Edit creatively. Once you've captured all your footage, it's time to edit it into a cohesive travel vlog. Use editing software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere to trim your clips, add transitions, and incorporate music. Consider adding text overlays to provide context and captions to make your video more accessible. Engage with your audience. After uploading your travel vlog, be sure to engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Consider creating a community by encouraging your viewer to share their own travel experiences and recommendations. Be authentic. Above all, be authentic in your travel vlog. Share your honest thoughts and experiences, and don't be afraid to show the ups and downs of travel. Authenticity will help you connect with your audience and build a loyal following.